In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Discord server. If you want a place where you can chat with friends, organize a group, or build a small community, creating a Discord server is quick and straightforward. You can do this on either your computer or your phone, and the process is very similar on both. Start by opening Discord. Once you're in the app, look over to the far left side where your current servers are listed. Near that list, you'll see the plus button to add a server. Go ahead and click or tap that button to begin. Discord will then ask how you want to get started. You can choose Create My Own if you want to build everything from scratch, which is a great option if you want full control over the setup. You may also see ready-made templates, such as gaming or school club. These can be helpful if you want Discord to pre-build some channels and categories for you. Next, choose whether the server is for you and your friends or for a club or community. This helps Discord tailor the initial setup a little bit, but don't worry too much about picking the perfect option here. You can still customize your server later. After that, type in your server name. Choose something clear and easy to recognize, especially if other people will be joining. You'll also have the option to upload an image icon. This isn't required, but it can make your server easier to identify at a glance and give it a more polished look. Once everything looks good, click or tap Create to finish. Your new Discord server will be made instantly, and from there, you can begin setting up channels, inviting people, and personalizing it however you want. That's it. You've successfully created your Discord server, and you're ready to start building your space.